How to convert between imperial and metric units, or vice versa. The convenience here with this formula is that you do not really need to have a calculator at hand or to understand the ratio between the two, as this is already stored within Excel. So the formula would be convert within parentheses the number you would like to convert. So that could either be a specific static number, or you can refer to a cell that has a number. The from unit would be your choice of what it is in imperial or in metric, and then the to unit would be the opposite. So we can use the example as shown below to get a better understanding of this. So when we look at this example, we need to change 48 inches to meters. So we'll in this box type equal to convert, open parentheses. The number you want to change is in that cell, so I'll refer to that cell, comma, and then what's nice is that you can just go down the list and look for your current value unit that you want to change from. So there we go, inch, double click on that. You'll see it's within parentheses saying that's the unit you've referred to is currently in inch, comma again, change it to, we want meter and it's right at the top, double click, close parentheses, enter, and there we have 48 inches is 1.2192 meters. We go at the bottom, from metric to imperial, we would like to change 3 kilograms to pounds. So again, equal to convert, open parentheses, refer to the cell that has the value, comma. So here I know it's already kilogram and I know the unit is kg in between double quotations. So when you type in comma, the next part I want to show you is that because it knows that you are changing from a weight option, it only gives you the list of the opposite unit measurement that refers to weight. So here we know that we want to change this to pound, so it's pound mass, close parentheses, enter, there we go. 3 kilogram is 6.61 pounds. So this is very convenient when you don't have a calculator, no problem. You don't even have internet connection. You can just go straight to typing this formula and it converts as needed. Thanks for listening.